Inertial relief involves balancing externally applied forces on a free or partially constrained body with loads derived from constant rigid body accelerations. It requires material density or mass or rotary inertia values to be specified for computing inertial relief loads. It can be performed for static, dynamic, and buckling analyses in Abaqus standard. It is an inexpensive alternative to doing a full dynamic free body analysis when applied loads vary slowly compared to the eigenfrequencies of the body. In a static step, the inertial relief loading varies with the applied external loading. The technique of inertial relief has been a well-known approach for the analysis of unsupported systems, such as aircrafts in flight, automotives in motion, or satellites in space. The sum of forces and moments are calculated and applied to achieve an equilibrium state in inertial relief analysis. An example of using an inertial relief load is modeling a rocket undergoing constant or slowly varying acceleration during liftoff with a static analysis procedure. To demonstrate inertial relief in Abaqus, I have modeled a simple dummy aircraft in SOLIDWORKS, and its step file is imported to Abaqus. As there were no boundary conditions applied, the job will not be completed, because the aircraft is not constrained in any direction. The aircraft has 6 free directions, among which 3 are translations and 3 rotations, which are shown as U1, U2, U3, UR1, UR2, and UR3. Ticked box means the aircraft is constrained in that particular direction. In this example, I constrained all the 6 directions of aircraft. Abaqus calculates the inertial relief load around the default reference point, which is the center of mass of the assembly. However, you have the flexibility to manually modify the reference point by giving its coordinates as shown here as global position of reference point. With inertial relief, the job completed successfully.